If you're not pushing the rules, you're not competing. New day, it's crunch time. We got to get derby cars finished. We've only got 2 days left to have these cars completely finished and ready to crash. We are down to the wire on this car. We don't have all the parts for it yet. I'm hoping the rear axles show up tonight. We have one of them, we don't have them both. We are going to hopefully have this car pretty much done tonight, and then we'll paint tomorrow and Wednesday, load them, because we got the old Onx build still going on. We got concrete going on. We got a lot going. So we are gonna finish this car. We'll show you little bits and pieces, show you the painting process, and then we'll show you day of the derby. We'll go crash them, show you in the pits, working on them, and hopefully one of us packing a trophy and a check home, right?
I hope so.
Yeah, that's the plan, so we'll get going. All right, Sean got the hood all cut and folded. We can still get to the radiator. It's gonna be good. We can start welding the hood shut now. Then we gotta do brakes. We gotta wire it. Jace has the trunk all done back there. We'll be closer by the end of tonight, if parts show up. Just got brakes all plumbed in and hooked up. It was pretty easy. If they work, it's gonna be pretty easy. Jace, he's just got everything welded. Now he's out here taking a break, eating some of my jerky. Look at that. You guys will see that shortly. It's a new adventure we're in. It's gonna be pretty cool. All right, it's almost 7 o'clock at night. We're still here slaving away. We've got a bunch done though. The car is coming along nicely. Jace, he is currently wiring this for me. That's my wiring. It's looking good. He's getting it. So with any luck here shortly, we'll be able to push a button and she'll fire up. These boys have got their cars. They've worked on them a little too. Chains are in them. Landon's car is pretty much done other than pre-bending the back. We've got to chain it down to the floor and jack it up a little bit just to get the back end to start rolling up and come into the trunk instead of into the dirt, because we do not want to plow the arena. We want it to be up.
So Jace, we got kind of tired of doing derby cars, so Jace gonna do some donuts.
I mean, it won't do a full donut because the clutch won't, like, that's pretty good, not gonna lie.
We're gonna go ahead and get the rear of this thing finished, and then this car's done. We're gonna just go ahead and about roll it up like 2 or 3 inches just to get it started into the trunk, so it for sure doesn't go to the ground. We want this thing going up. So we've got it chained down inside and right in front of the rear body mount basically. I'm gonna heat the top of the frame up, and then we're just gonna jack it and it'll just bend right up, be good to go. So this week we've Grandma's got like 2 or 3 different calls from people that are concerned. People that know about derby and know Utah derbies, they're concerned that we've cheated.
Just don't look at the car.
We videoed it. Sure, we're probably gonna have to cut some stuff, but if you go to a derby and they just roll your car through inspections, you might as well just load it back on the trailer and go home, because you're gonna get your butt kicked that night. If you're not pushing the rules, you're not competing. So this car over here, probably not competing. Put some tension on it. At least get them up and get them tight. Yeah.
It's moving. Oh yeah. It's moved a lot. We did the same thing to the other side. That'll probably be good. Oh yeah.
Not moving yet here.
He's rolling up here.
There it started to move.
Oh, and we lost power. Oh, we got it there.
It dimpled perfect. Come and look in here, Jace. See it glowing right there? It dimpled perfect.
Oh yeah.
Exactly what we needed. We're gonna give that a minute. That chain's hot, and then we'll do your car. Yeah, I will. Want me to show you how to do it?
Your
car's next right here.
Well, we officially broke in the burnout pad. I had questions whether the concrete had worked. It got dry and hard. I'm sure it cracked somewhere as well, but concrete works like a pro. Jace is uncheating here. He's getting his bumper. So he didn't read the rules and it says you can't weld this to this. So he's got to cut those and then he'll be good to go. All right, we're on the late night shift. Rear end's built. We've got axles in it. Landon's tightening bolts down. Oil's in it. I think it's ready to move under its own power. I'm gonna go take this first little test drive. See what else we gotta do. We got some stuff figured out, but we got some more problems. We'll pull it shot. We got some stuff to figure out yet.
At least it moves.
She moves under her own power. We're that much closer. So, with any luck, we'll have it finished by Saturday. It is that time. Derby cars are getting painted. Jace, he has gone with the Hooters car, the NASCAR Hooters car. That's what he is designing this after. He thinks that that's going to win him fan favorites. So how they do this, they pull the nice looking cars into the arena and they judge it off of applause. So he's thinking the Hooters car is going to get more applause than Landon's car, which Landon is painting the Dale Earnhardt car. So this will be the old Chevy GM Goodwrench car. And mine on the other side, well, yet to be determined what that one's going to be painted like. We'll see. So Jace has got his lines. So explain these to us. What's going on here?
Okay.
That is what we're going for.
So the whole hood here is going to be orange, all that. And then this will be black all the way across. This will be orange, and then that'll be black.
Okay.
So it's going to be just a bunch of orange and black with
Sounds
stickers
fun.
and an owl.
We were outside, but southern Utah in the fall. Yep, it's about to rain. So now we're inside again.
I'm glad I brought my derby car inside, because she's getting for real out there.
What?
It's raining.
Look how much water's running down the drain.
Oh yeah.
Freaking cool. Working. There's water. Not bad for somebody that didn't know what they were doing. It's gonna be cool when it's all concrete. I like it. Look at that. Water going in the drain. This one over here is running water. I'm stoked. This is working flawlessly. We are currently ready to do some painting on these derby cars. So. Yep.
First coat of black. I mean, that's the only coat of black, but now we got orange to paint on it, and then she'll be looking chillin' like. Landon's is currently getting painted. What? Is it gonna look good? Yeah.
I'm done for the night. I'm headed up to the house. I got the cameras. Pretty proud of these kids. They've put in a ton of hours, done stuff they've never done before, learned some stuff. They don't even know they're learning stuff. They're just having fun right now, but they're gonna do good. This one's Landon's. We got it sprayed one color tonight. Put the gold or the silver on it tomorrow. I'll be crashing, so stay tuned till tomorrow. Come here, Core Dog. Come here. Look at that. It walks on its own legs when Gracie's not around to pack it, or Grandma. But I make it walk. Let's go to the house, Cora. Go on. All right, we are on this thing. Final paint is going on these two tonight. And I'm way out here. I'm out there working in the driveway, rotating tires on my truck. It's crazy. Kids have taken over my shop. I'll get them rotated so we can hook onto a trailer, and then cools down tonight and we'll spray some paint. Let's check out Jace's paint scheme.
It's coming along.
I'm liking it. It's gonna look pretty cool. So all that we can see is orange. All the white will be orange.
All the white will be orange.
All right, I'm digging it.
Black. It looks like you kind of missed the spot.
Hey, smash that in and no one will see it. I mean, just the first hit, just smash the trunk. All right, this is a package we've been waiting for from Broadhead Decals. Haha. Oh yeah, this is good. Oh,
To Jason Landon Cox. Hey, look, there's my roof sign.
oh, that you ain't gonna. You don't
They
want
just
that.
you built
I
them.
do too. It has my name on it.
Look at that. Gotta push that bubble out of it.
See it. This thing's dope.
Nope. You won't like it.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
That's cool.
That's gonna be pretty nice.
I like it.
The drill
I
some
like it a lot.
holes. You don't have one?
No, not in this box, evidently.
No, I don't think you have one actually.
Yeah.
Stickers, because we already have one for you.
I got a roof sign.
Yeah, you're fine. This is stickers too that are in there.
Yep, and then all the stickers that go along with it. Says good luck, guys. Bring home 1, 2, 3, of course. Mad Dog. These are all our stickers. Tomorrow they'll be on the cars.
Just slapped on there, like,
That looks good. That's gonna look good up there.
dude.
These guys do good work. If you're in the market for stickers, Broadhead Decals. We'll have the link somewhere for him. He does an awesome job for us. All right, just got this thing all painted. Well, I got the first layer painted on it. It kind of rained on me a little outside, so the front, it's not. It's got a textured appearance to it, which is fine. It's gonna be fine. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead tomorrow and put the black underneath, let it dry, throw the stickers on it, and load it. We pre-bent the back a little bit, as you can see, creased it, rolled the trunk up. We'll see if our tucking method works. So next time you see us, we're gonna be loading on a trailer, heading north. All right, final steps going on. Chaining the rear end on my car. Jace is putting the old Hooter stickers on his. He thinks he's gonna be able to win best looking car. I hope he does. I hope he gets the crowd to cheer for him. So mine turned out pretty good. I'm happy with it. Landon's looks good. They won't look good tomorrow night. They'll be junk. So we're gonna load them. Okay, come over. We'll fill the tank up with gas and then you can load it. Yeah, you're good. Yep, you're good. Straight up on. That'll do. It's Derby day. It's early in the morning. We got to get up and get going. Pretty proud of these kids. I didn't think this day'd come that soon. I'm not that old, but I got kids old enough to build derby cars, but I'm pretty proud of them. They built these cars on their own. They put all the time and effort in. They painted them, made them look good. We're gonna go have some fun today, so come along. We'll go crash some cars and we'll take you for the ride.
Next time on Fab Rats.